Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you own the night vision accessory and that it's in an outfit slot. Open the interaction menu, go to Inventory, then Accessories, and find Night Vision. Once done, equip it to the current outfit and toggle it on immediately so the screen filter engages. This is the only legitimate way to activate classic night vision in sessions. Make sure you're not in a cutscene or mission load. Those block toggles and waste time. When you've equipped night vision, turn it on and practice quick toggles. You'll preserve gadget utility and avoid standing out to players. Aim down sights to sharpen the NV effect for long-range spotting because the scope stabilizes the image and increases contrast. If you're in a vehicle, switch headlights off to reduce glare. This makes silhouettes pop. Also, combine NV with thermal if available for piercing hiding spots. Make sure to re-equip before entering combat for seamless transition. To finish, practice entering and exiting NV during movement so you can rely on it under pressure. If it refuses to toggle, de-equip the outfit slot and re-equip the night vision accessory. That refreshes the interaction menu state. Make sure you're in a session or mode that permits NV. Rockstar disables it in some story or cutscene contexts. If toggles still fail after reloading the outfit, restart the game. That clears persistent menu glitches and restores normal functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.